This is YouTube's University's Automotive Locksmith course. Introduction to the TR47 Keyway, Lesson 7, All Keys Lost, Part 3, using the Lishi. So, what do you do if you take an all keys lost job and then the car uses a TR47 Keyway and you pull a door lock and there's no key code? Maybe you're not comfortable enough pulling the wafers. Yeah. Well, I'll show you. You can always use the Lishi. Let's get to it. So there are a couple different leashes. As you need to notice, there's 4 different TR43 leashes. So there's two versions of each, one for the 8 cut and one for the 10 cut. So if it says TR43 AT, that means it's for the 10 cut Toyotas. Sorry for the glare. And if it says IGN, like this is for the 10 cut Toyota ignition. And this is for the other lock, store, trunk, or any other lock. The same for the 8 cut. This is for the ignition. This is for the door and trunk. If you try to put this in the door, it's too loose, like once in ignition, and it doesn't feel right. I'm sure you can pick it, but it doesn't feel right for sure. So, and another thing, I will say with the ignition ones, either one, I've never successfully used them on the ignition, funny enough. Maybe it's just me, but I've had bad luck. So if you get them, I would get one of these. I mean, one of each of these if you do decide to go that way. I have tried them. Like this one has worked on this one, but like I haven't decoded properly, so I don't know. Again, I don't know if that's me or what's going on. But yeah, if you do get one of each of these, the 8 cut and the 10 cut versions. Moving on. Okay, so first you have to decide what direction you want to go. I'm going to go towards me. And then you just put like pressure. Nothing's happening. Not 5 either. Nope. Looking for one step. The 9 is step. There we go. Pick. Nope, nothing on. Okay, so 9 and 10 picked. 5 picked. Through them again, just in case. Nope, okay. So 4 picked a little bit. 8, perfect. So we're going to go to decoding. 3 is 3. Or will be 2. 5 will be 2. 6 will be 3. 7 will be 3. 8 will be 2. 9 will be 1. And 10 will be 1. So this is what we got so far. And we're not going to define the bidding this time because this is an aftermarket lock. And it doesn't have a key code. So I'm just going to put 1 and 1 because it doesn't have these. So it doesn't really matter. Now we're going to cut a key. Let's see if the key works. So now we're going to cut the key. In the 3 position. Nice. Works well. So you just saw me pick a 2043 lock, a 10 cut, and by my mean 10 cut, even though there's 8 wafers in here, it's normally a 10 cut key, right? There's usually 2 more wafers in the ignition. So that's what I mean by 10 cut. So you just saw me pick the door lock, decode, and make a key. And I will say, if it was other type of just that 8 cut ignition with the door lock, their door lock would press pick up around this, then pick 1 more time on the, because it would get stuck on the 4 or 7th position because that's where the split wafers are. And once you hit that split wafer, it'll go all the way. If it was a standard draw, I wanted to showcase it, but unfortunately, I installed them into customers and I ran out of those. So far, I didn't have them for this video, but you know, you'll get the idea with just this. Anyways, thanks for watching. Beginner Locksmith signing off. You guys can comment, like, subscribe, and press the hype button. Thanks. Bye.